In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account. This should be a very quick tutorial, so let's get started. First, click on the Facebook app and then click on the settings. Then you have to scroll and click on settings and privacy. And then click on settings. And here under account centers, so just click see more in account center. And then you have to scroll down, you'll see manage accounts. And then click on the account you want to be deleted. So this is the account. I already have only one account, so we're just gonna click over here, account ownership and control, and then deactivation and deletion. And then this is the account, let's say we want to delete. Just click here and then we click on delete account. And then once you click continue, it's going to ask you just a few questions, and in the end it's going to ask you to enter the password, and from there it's going to delete your account permanently. So that's how to delete your Facebook account. That's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.